one, call the police. It's important to call the police so that they can determine who was responsible for causing the accident. If they don't do an investigation, it can become a battle between the two drivers as to who was at fault for the accident. So it's important to have the police investigate so that they can determine who was at fault. Number 2, take photographs. It's important to take photographs of the vehicles. If possible, take photographs before the vehicles are moved so that we can see where the position was at the time of the accident. Also take photographs of the damage to each car so that we can document that. If you have any injuries that are visible, later take pictures of that, such as bruising, cuts, scrapes, those kinds of visible injuries. You should take photographs of all of those things because it's important. Number 3, identify witnesses. It's important to get the name, address, phone number of anyone who witnessed the accident. Also, if you can, encourage them to stay at the accident scene until the police arrive so that they can give statements. Number 4, get the other driver's vital information. Get the name, address, telephone number, insurance company, and policy number for the other driver. Number 5, seek immediate medical treatment. If you think you've been injured in the accident, it's important to get medical treatment, both for health reasons and for legal reasons. For health reasons, it's important to get treated to find out what's wrong with you and get proper care. For legal reasons, it's important to document that you've been injured in the accident. You need to go to the emergency room, your family doctor, or an urgent care center. If you don't get treatment, the insurance company may not believe that you were injured in the accident. Number 6, immediately report the accident to your insurance company. You have a legal obligation to report the accident to your insurance company, and it's important that they know about it right away. Go online, look up the 800 number, and call your insurance company immediately to let them know that you've been involved in an accident. Number 7, don't talk to the other insurance company. You have no obligation to talk to the other insurance company, and you shouldn't. The adjuster from the other insurance company will likely call you, ask you what happened in the accident, ask you what injuries you have. You have no obligation to talk to them, and anything that you say to them, they might be able to use against you. So it's important that you avoid contacting or dealing with the other insurance company. Number 8, locate an experienced personal injury attorney so that you can get advice. Nowadays, the laws regarding car accidents and personal injury cases are constantly changing, and because of that, it's important to have an experienced personal injury attorney, somebody who focuses their practice in that area of the law, advise you on your legal rights and how you should proceed. Number 9, consult with an attorney as soon as possible. It's not good enough just to find an attorney who you think might be good for representing you in the future. It's important to get advice as soon as possible after an accident. There are things that you should be doing in order to protect your legal rights. There are things that you shouldn't be doing in order to protect your legal rights. It's important to have a consultation with an attorney as soon as possible after an accident. And I think what you'll find is that you can have a free consultation with no obligation to hire that attorney. So it's important to consult with an experienced personal injury attorney as soon as possible after an accident. Finally, number 10, don't sign anything without getting advice from your attorney. You may get a letter from an insurance company asking you to sign releases of your private medical information. An insurance company may make you a settlement offer and ask you to sign a release, which will result in you giving up your legal rights. Don't sign anything without getting advice first from an experienced personal injury attorney.
For more information on how Tim can help you, contact Tim or visit his website.